Welcome to Canyonlands by Night. This is a wonderful nighttime boat and dinner cruise. It's a wonderful way to see the canyon walls, experience a very relaxing, beautiful boat ride on the Colorado River and the night sky. It's unlike anything else.
We got there, it was very friendly atmosphere, kind of old-timey, family, folksy approach to everything.
Before the boat ride, we get to have a wonderful Dutch oven dinner that is cooked all day long. As soon as we leave the dock, those walls rise up and are on each side of us. We go up the river.
And they tell a lot of silly jokes and funny faces on the walls that they point out. But along with that, they give you a lot of history and geology stuff.
Once it gets dark is when we start the formal part of our program. We turn the boat around and we come back down the river, and we have 40,000 watts of lights that illuminate the rock walls as we listen to a pre-recorded narrative about the history of Moab. People that are from the city often don't get to see the night sky that we get to see out here. We have thousands of stars that are shining in the sky. The silhouette of the rocks against the moonlight, it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful experience. If you have a great imagination, this is a perfect boat for you. The canyon walls are fantastic, and the lights and the shadows together make a wonderful evening.
It really does, like literally, lets you see Moab in a whole new light.